Good evening, friends. Welcome on this second day of Technology Week webinar series 2.0. It's our great pleasure to jointly host with Jain Chartered Accountant Federation. So we are welcoming all our panelists today. We are with us CA Pradeep Kapadia sir, President Jain Chartered Accountant Federation. We are welcoming you, sir. We have a CA Hirajan Bafnaji, Vice President JCAF. We welcome you, sir. We have CA Shishir Suklaji, Treasurer, Kanpur CA Association. It's our pleasure, sir. We are welcoming you, sir. We have today's our first speaker, CA Amit Kumar Agarwal ji. Sir is present on MDA audit tool, which is very helpful for the data analytics and all other data handle to data in this everywhere where data is there to handle the data. It's very important tool. We have also have Darshita Madam, Darshita Purav ji and the Nilesh Shah ji. They will present on Finwheel software, practice management software for the chartered accountants. So we are welcoming you all. We have many few others as well. We have a CA KB Kothari ji, our committee member at Jain Chartered Accountant Federation. We are welcoming KB Kothari sir as well. So with this brief introduction, would like to request Pradeep Kapadia sir, President Jain Chartered Accountant Federation, to welcome all attendees and address the activities about Jain Chartered Accountant Federation. Over to you, Pradeep sir.
Good evening and Jai Jinendra to everyone. It gives me a great pleasure in welcoming you to the second day of this Technology Week webinar series, a joint initiative of Connect Easy and JCF. Yesterday we had an excellent inaugural session by our own CA Murtuza Kachwala, who is the secretary at WIRC, who spoke on the next generation audit tools and techniques. And we had Jairam Rajshekhar, who spoke on the IDEA software, a very powerful and a user-friendly software. And today we are fortunate to have with us CA Amit Kumar Agarwal, who will speak on audit tool MDA, a tool for data analytics which would be useful major for ledger scrutiny and for other various statutory reports, etc. Then we have a second speaker on Finwheel software. The speaker is CA Nilesh Shah, a person who has been in practice from last 25 years, and Miss Darshita Purav, a business head at Finwheel. And so I'm really eager to listen to these people, how to manage and how to use the technology for our benefit, and how it can be easy for us and faster for us to do and simpler for us to do audit. So now over to Virat. Thank you very much. God bless. Happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now would like to request our today's guest, CA Shishir Shukla sir, a treasurer at Kanpur CA Association, to address our attendees on the importance of technology in the CA profession and address the attendees. So over to you, Shishir sir.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, all. Actually, in today's scenario, the use of technology is of utmost importance. और इस समय अगर हम लोग ऑडिट की बात करें तो विदाउट टेक्नोलॉजी आई थिंक ऑडिट करना ही बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है बीइंग ए चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. अभी हमारे स्पीकर श्री अमित अग्रवाल जी जो हैं आपको कुछ ऑडिट टूल्स के बारे में बताएंगे. और इन ऑडिट टूल्स में जो है कुछ जैसे इनका ऑडिट टूल्स हैं, इनके ऑडिट टूल्स मैं भी यूज कर रहा हूँ लास्ट ईयर से, और ये ऑडिट टूल्स वाकई जो है बहुत ही यूजफुल हैं इनके ऑडिट टूल्स. और आई थिंक मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको इस बारे में जो है अमित अग्रवाल जी दे पाएंगे. थैंक यू.
जी सर जी, थैंक यू सुशील सर फॉर joining us and giving the your address. So now without wasting any time, would directly like to request Amit Agarwal sir for the first session of today's on the audit tool. So over to you, Amit sir.
First of all, a very big thank you to Virat for giving me the opportunity to present this audit tool Friends, as you all know, in this pandemic season, it is not an easy task to complete our all assignments, our audit assignments. So with this time when the staff is not available and the articles are not available, so we have to complete our all audit formalities, all audit in a very short span of time. So that is why we are I'm just giving you the insight of this audit tool. What are the, first of all, why we need this audit tool? Friends, as you all know that during this time you require very fast information in a short span of time, so it saves a lot of your time. Process very large data to a small to very large data, less dependency on your staff. You can handle, you can operate by yourself with a very minimum time. And the extra benefit is it works in an online environment. Now, what are the advantages of this audit tool? It gives a report in a very short time, gives so many exceptional reports on data. You require the expense analysis, income analysis, sales analysis, purchase analysis. All these reports you will get in a very short span of time. How to use the package? Definitely, I am going to let you know these things. You have to use this software from our website, which is mdaudit.in. You have to enter the group code, user ID, and password. I am just going to software for any software. This is, friends, this is the first screen. This is again
I think there is some technical error. So sir will join within a few seconds. Please wait all the time. Yes, sir. Sir, there is some network issue, I think. Please continue, sir.
राजी मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
हाँ, yes, sir. दिख रहा है, sir. Slide दिख रहा है. Please continue.
Login this website MBA audit. जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया कि मैं इसमें लॉगिन कर रहा हूं, तो जैसे ही मैंने लॉगिन करा सारे एसएससीज मेरे सामने आ गए. नाउ मेरे को क्या क्या रिपोर्ट्स मिल जाएंगी, क्या क्या मेडिस में मिलेंगी, व्हाट गोइंग टू गेट.
कैमरा बंद कर दीजिए ना, तो आवाज थोड़ा और अच्छा आएगा. तो कैमरा बंद कर दीजिए.
कैमरा बंद कर दूं? हाँ, ठीक है.
Please continue.
You can see. Okay, thank you. Now you can see that friends, list of you are seeing. Now, in case if you want to enter into any client, just you have to create client from here and just select the client, select the assessment year, and you will go into the software. Now you can see that there are 12,000 vouchers in this client's data, and I have just imported this data. I am just going to show you how to import the data and how to create file from Tally. Now the reports which I am going to show it to you, this audit checklist, these are the reports which you are going to get. Virag, my screen is proper now? These are the reports which you are going to get. Matlab, this software is letting you know after importing all the data, debtors account with credit balances. Matlab, there are so many accounts, so many debtors accounts, and this software is letting you know that how many debtors which are having the credit balances. In case if you want to see कि किस debtor में हमारे credit balances है, you just click the this line and it will give you the complete list of parties which are having the credit balances in the sundry debtors group. Now, in case if you want to view the ledger of this particular party, you can click the party name and it will give you the complete ledger. So you just through the software itself, you will be able to know what are the parties which are having the credit balance, why this credit balance is there, how this credit balance is appearing, whether any advance is there, or maybe there is a chance that this account is having the unsecured loan portion which is being classified as debtors by the party. So these are the things which you will get from this section. The other report which is there with accounts with no entry of sales, account has been classified as debtors but there is no entry of sales. Similarly, accounts having entries but not classified as debtors, account classified as debtors with payment entry. This is the most important thing. When a person to whom you are making a sales, you are supposed to get the payment from him. You are not required to make any payment. So in case if you have made any payment, it will let you know the idea. Like AK Services, 4 payments has been made. Aska Builders, 4 payments has been made. What are those entries? You can just click on this particular line item and it will let you know that what are the payments which has been made. Like it is giving you the idea that payment to such and such party, payment to such and such party. Maybe there is a chance that this account has been classified as sundry debtors wrongly. This account may go to creditors, others, or sundry creditors, or what with the proper group, but accountant has classified it as wrong. But now by this you are able to know that there are some payment entries which is being classified as debtors group. So in case if there is any chance of unsecured loan entry, you can very well be captured from here. Likewise, sundry debtors, there are certain other things in sundry. Creditors also purchases, creditors with debit balances, creditors account with no entry of purchases, or the vice versa of sundry debtors. Whatever you are getting from the sales side, you are getting in the purchases side reverse. Now cash, you are just seeing that any payment which has been made above 10,000 rupees, you will be getting the complete list through this software. What we have done is, if accountant has made the 2 entry on, for example, on 2009, if a person to whom this Anurag Madan, the payment 2 entries has been made 9,500 and 9,500. What our software has done, it has clubbed all the payments and then it is showing you details. So this way you will be able to know in a particular day to a single party, if a payment has been made in excess of rupees 10,000, a complete list will be there. You can see that bulk and damages, some 41,000 cash payment has been made. Definitely you are going to inquire this thing from your client, that why you have made this 10,000 excess payment, why it's not to be classified in your tax audit report. Similarly, cash receipt above 2 lakh rupees, in case if any entry is there, definitely it is going to give you the idea that yes, this is the cash receipts above 10 lakh. In case if it is correct, then you may ignore it. Then in case if any account is being hit by the provisions of section 269 ST, it will let you know. Complete account section will be provided from here itself. It will let you know that what are the particular bills which are of more than 2 lakh rupees and payment in excess of rupees 2 lakh which has been received by you. Negative cash balance of data during the complete year, anytime it will give the complete idea that on these dates negative cash balance is there. So you can view from here itself that there is a cash balance, negative cash balance in the data. Average cash balance, what is the average cash balance is there, it is only for your reference. Highest cash balance, lowest cash balance, these are all things. Then others, entries posted on holiday, you can create your holiday, whatever holiday list is there for your client, you can create from here. We have feeded only 3 holidays over here. You can create your list as per your suit. Say, let's say for example, your client is having X day, you feed those holiday lists in the setting section. This is our setting sections. You can feed all the holidays. Just I'm going to show it to you. This is the entry of holiday entry. You can click over here and feed whatever holiday entry is there. Now next, Then entries posted on weekly off, same section. In case we have feeded weekly off Sunday, you can choose weekly off whatever you want. Say for example, your client is having the weekly off on Monday, you can select weekly off through settings on as Monday, and it will give you the complete list that these are the entries which has been posted Monday. Then accounts squared up during the year, accounts with same opening and closing balance, account with same opening and closing balance with no transaction, with transaction. This is the complete list of accounts which has been squared up during the year. List through bank payment, 14 accounts has been squared, bank receipt 67. So in case if you want the list, this is the complete list. Sunday debtors, Vinayak Traders account has been squared off with the amount of 2,40,000. You want to see the ledger, you just have to click over here and ledger is here. So you can see that this account, if all the entries are correct, you can just skip on this. Otherwise, you may inquire from your client. So complete analysis is being provided to you by the importer. From these all things, I am just giving you the idea. Tool, Benford's law, related size factor. You just go to this section and it will give you the idea that what is the RSF. RSF, you can see that in case if RSF is more than 1.5, it will give you the complete idea that the RSF is to internationally accepted RSF. RSF is a factor that high and the second highest entry. It will give you the complete list. In case if verified, then you can inquire from your client why this difference is and what are the basic thing, why such a higher amount and second highest entry. Just it is coming. Then ledger report is there. You can see Balaji Sales Corporation 55 lakh entry, highest entry, and 45,000 is the second highest entry. So difference is 120%. Why? मतलब क्यों इतना डिफरेंस है? यू कैन वेरी वेल इंक्वायर व्हेन जब पेमेंट हमारे पास आ रहा है, छोटा छोटा अमाउंट हमारे पास आ रहा है, तो फिर ये क्यों हमारा इतना डिफरेंस है? यू कैन इंक्वायर फ्रॉम योर क्लाइंट. देन लेजर रिपोर्ट, कंप्लीट लेजर इज देयर, आपके पास आ गया. 269 एसेट रिपोर्ट, 269 टी रिपोर्ट. एक्सपेंस टू सेल्स रेशियो, दिस इज अ रिपोर्ट जो आपको 3 साल का कंपैरिजन प्रोवाइड करती है कि आपका पर्टिकुलर ईयर में रेशियो किस साल में कितना है. अभी जैसे इसमें एक ही साल का डेटा है तो ये आपको एक साल का कंपैरिजन दिखा रहा है, एक साल में दिखा रहा है, प्रीवियस ईयर में डैश दिखा रहा है. अदरवाइज इट कंपैरिजन फ्रॉम प्रीवियस 3 years कि व्हाट आर द वेरिएशन. In case if variation is very high, you can very well inquire from your client. You can very further क्यों इतना ज्यादा एक्सपेंस है या कम है. Then expense analysis, it is a unique thing कि आपको this report will let you know that how much expenses are being made through cash, bank and others. Others is a journal entry. Bank payment, ठीक है. Cash payment if it is there, then definitely you can inquire. Likewise, you can see that the freight, 60 lakh freight has been paid through cash and only 5 lakhs made. Further go to this and ask from your client that why this payment has been made. As you can see that only 2 entries are there, 30 lakh on 31.3. So why this payment has been made, why this single entry are being there, you very well inquire from your client. So in case if any is there in the data, definitely it will come to you. Then expense summary is there. It will give you the idea month-wise expense summary. Like you are seeing that no expenses are being booked. All the expenses client has booked in the month of March or so. Then income summary, closing trial balance, sundry debtors analysis. It is a very unique report. It will give you the idea that on debit side, what are the entries of sales and others. Like AK services, you are seeing that 3,05,000 other than sales entry is there. Same thing on credit side, any cash payment, bank payment or other through journal. In case if any entry is there, so it will come through journal, others. Otherwise cash payment, likewise you are seeing that Abhishek Kumar Pathak cash payment is being received from this party. Cash payment received. Others Sonu, sales bill 26,736 and cash payment has been received. So you can inquire from your client. You can ask from the balance confirmation certificate or anything you want for your file, for your purpose. You can very well ask from your client. Likewise, it is this is there. Same report which is as per data. Then stock report is there. In case if anything negative balance, the report which you require to feed in the tax audit report, complete report is there. We are seeing that one entry is there with negative balance. So definitely you can inquire from your client that why this negative balance is appearing, and what is the wrong entry which is being done over this account. Sales purchase GP analysis, it is just a report. It will give you the idea that any given GP rate, for example, I am giving the GP of 10% and show, will completely give you detail of sales, purchase, opening and closing stock, and again and complete detail it will provide you कि अगर कहीं पे negative stock आ रहा है तो it will give you the idea. Then a GST analysis is the reconciliation, two-way reconciliation is there. We just have to import the two-way files, and two-way file we just have to click this button and give you, and we have to provide the user ID and password and login. It will automatically download all the files from the website and will import in the software and give you the two-way reconciliation over here. We have already imported, so it will give you the complete idea. I have not set up the account, so otherwise it will, what I'm just showing you the screen, this way it will come. Credit as per books, credit as per two-way, and what is the difference. In case if any difference is there, you can very well view from here. What are the bill entry? You can just click over here and it will give you the bill entry. Like you were seeing that in two-way, these are the two bills, and in the as per books, only one bill has been entered. Okay, no problem. So complete two-way reconciliation will be there. Purchase reports, these are purchase. मतलब हमने किसी वेंडर से 100 रुपए में खरीदा, दूसरे से हमने 1000 में खरीदा, तो it will give you the idea. Same is the sales report. It will give you the rate difference in sales, same customer. I am just showing it to you. Material is so it will give you the idea minimum rate and maximum rate. Now friends, how to सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं इनके, देन आपको दो फाइलें बनानी होंगी बाय सेलेक्टिंग दिस पीरियड. लाइक जैसे इस क्लाइंट का अगर मैं फाइल बनाना चाहूं तो मैंने पीरियड सेलेक्ट कर लिया फ्रॉम 1/4 मान लीजिए 1/10/2019 एंड जस्ट आई एम क्लिकिंग दिस बटन एंड एंटर. या आई एम ऑडिबल? Hello, I am audible? So it will create a file which is required to be by just one file. You will be able to transfer complete data in the software itself. Now I am just showing it to you. This is the section import data. Tally, 4 types of can be imported, that are from Tally, from Excel, from Busy software, and from FarVision software. These are the 4 ways which we through which we can import the data. Now Tally, in case if we select this portion from Tally, this is the section where we have to import the file. Just I have to click this button, this dialog box will appear, and you have to select that file which we have created by the Tally itself and just import. Your complete data will be there. Audit checklist, complete section is there. From home screen you can very well see that kitne isme groups hain, kitne accounts hain, and how many vouchers are there, how many types of vouchers are there, which ye aapko pura yahan pe dikh raha hai. सारी reports आपको मिल रही हैं, and this all this requires only a 15 to 20 minutes process. So if this is done by yourself, you don't have to require the support of your articles, support of your staff. In the current scenario, staff and articles are not there in the office. You have to do all things by yourself. So you can very well manage in case if just a minute, all the things are there. So in case if you just analyze this complete report, it will give you the complete idea of the data, that what are the anomalies in the data, what are the things which are to what are the further clarification which are required to be taken from the client, what are the data errors which are to be corrected. Each and everything will provide you. You can very well ask from your client that you have to give the explanation, 2 lakh above entry, you have to mention all the things are there. In case if any negative balance is there, all from here. So this is the complete tool with which you are very well and very in a very span you can capture all the information. So friends, this is all from my side. In case if you wants to have any inquiry, any further query, you just have to note down these all numbers. You just please note down this number and the email ID. We are very much be delighted to assist you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Amit sir. For wonderful presentation. So all are requested to note down the mail ID and the contact details provided. And now would like to request Nilesh Bhai to come on screen and Darshita ma'am to come on screen.
Hello. Yeah, sorry, Viraj.
Yes, yes. So Darshita madam, I have shared screen as well. You can introduce and start the presentation as well. I think
Yeah,
Pradeep sir has already introduced Nilesh Bhai and Darshita madam. So you can start session.
yeah. Ankit and Mukesh Bhai was. Is it?
So they will join in the meanwhile. I will connect with them. So you can start the session till that time.
Okay. Okay.
You can start basic of Finwheel and how it is operate.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, good afternoon. This is Nilesh Shah, Chartered Accountant speaking. I'm here to introduce myself as a practicing Chartered Accountant and owner of Finwheel software. I have created a software, namely Finwheel, which helps in practice management to all Chartered Accountants, professionals, tax consultants. I have started my journey as a chartered accountant in 1995. Today I have completed 25 years of practice, and out of that I have seen lots of ups and downs in my practice. As far as admin is concerned, many things happened in my office. Like I started with a smaller office to bigger office, small staff to a big staff, and everywhere the challenges were different. and challenges were different. Along with that, challenges and along with new requirements, both the things going together. And if you are not ready with the backup plan, then we used to suffer. And I learned out of that suffering. And again and again, whenever we used to upgrade ourselves to new clients, new team, and every time you need to teach them everything new. And this is how whenever we come across the new things, we used to have a problems. We used to struggle day to day, every day, to teach them what is our rules, how we want to reports and all. So 5-6 years back, I have started a journey to prepare Finvil for myself. Actually, this software I have prepared for myself, not for public. 6 years back, 5 years back, 2 years back, when I felt this software is good enough to take care of many of the chartered accountants like me, who are in the mid-size level, who grow from startup to a mid-size and then grow up, and everywhere they need a helping tool, which help them in every stage of the practice to grow. And this is how I started with Finvil. And now it's almost 1.5 years we have launched the software, and till that we have made very good journey till now, and hoping to be more growing people adding in the Finvil. So I will start with the Finvil. Finvil understands your pain area. See why today's topic was converting pain area to gain areas. Was every CA has a good core, that somebody is expert in audit, somebody is in taxation, and many other things. But when it comes to admin, all gets irritated. Why? Because you don't want to do it, but you need to do it. Whenever these things happens, we feel that no, this is not my area and I don't want to do that. And because you are owner of the business, you need to do that. So Finvil understands your pain area, and doing work management with Finvil provides disciplinary and organized support to your system. Finvil focuses on assisting management with proper and timely reporting for better and decision making. So again, it helps for better decision making, and wherever possible, Finvil will come to help to rescue chartered accountants from admin hurdles. See, some of the difficulties I have narrated in my PPT. One of the thing is our employees spends more time in follow-up, sending reminders and collecting data from clients. This is something which we can't avoid. Every chartered accountant's staff are involved again and again for reminders, detail bhejo, detail bhejo, detail bhejo. This is a routine experience for any of the chartered accountants. So these are the one of the biggest topic which is covered in Finvil. You will understand how it is covered. Darshita will tell you. Darshita is a business head of the Finvil. She will let you understand in later part. Then second topic is so many things, but I will just say some part. Day to day, it is becoming challenging. Compliances, multiple compliances at a time. Various due dates come across together, and now it becomes difficult to manage things. Many times, itemized report for billing is problem. Then we are not completely prepared to face legal checks like peer review. Peer review बहुत सारी चीज मांगती है, चाहिए, and we are not available with that. Readily हमारे पास नहीं होता है. Then I have forgotten to charge many small tasks. PAN is a very petty thing, but if you count added, it adds to your revenue. And this is the one example I have given. There are many examples to be given. I have always missed considering some documents which are received via email. Various emails clients send on various dates, and we suffer always because on various date it says it has came, and we have tried to check it through our DMS. Newly just introduced, we have introduced DMS system, wherein you can always ask your client to share their document through the system and not through email, so that documents will fall in their folder and nowhere else. So these are the few things the Finvil has tried to manage such practical difficulties through software. And I will like to request Ankit Sanghvi, CA Ankit Sanghvi, who is a practicing chartered accountant, partner to Pankaj P. Sanghvi and Associates, and he is Finvil user as well. So I will like to ask Ankit to share his experience.
Thank you very much, Nilesh bhai. It's a pleasurable journey that we have shared over the last 4-5 months that we've been using Finvil. I would just like to share a brief history behind me using a software, particularly a practice management software. I've been using a practice management software since about 2006. I must have at least changed 3-4 times up till now in my journey of using a practice management software. In between, we also discussed about developing our own software, because there are a lot of points, there are a lot of features which we always used to miss in a software, and which we always felt that whatever software we are using are all half-baked softwares. There are certain pain areas that are getting covered while certain pain areas are not getting covered. And believe me, I have a whole model of a software ready, written down on my desk, which would, probably from my point of view, what would have been an ideal software that I would have looked at. And suddenly I came across Finvil through a known friend of ours. And when me and my dad both together went through the complete demo of the software, which lasted for about, I think, 45 minutes to an hour about, we realized that whatever we thought of in terms of the requirements, what we have as a software, are getting completely covered in Finvil. And that was one of the biggest selling points, I must tell you, that we had an experience. And the biggest challenge that always you will face whenever any software you adopt, be it Finvil or any other software you talk about, is always going to be implementation. And here again, I must tell you, the whole team that Nilesh bhai has been so forthcoming and so willing to help us in implementing the same, that the journey of implementation has been very, very pleasant. And it's only because of their efforts and their follow-up that they do with us, we were able to really implement the software to a great extent. And honestly, any words that I explain forward or put forward to you right now is always going to be words. It's always going to be, seeing is believing is what I believe. And I would always want you to try out the demo for 3, 4, 5 days. Ask a lot of questions to them. I believe most of them would be easily answered. And then and only then you will realize how easy the software can make life for you. Thank you. Thank you, Nilesh bhai, for the opportunity. I hope I could share my experience and put forward a point of view where it can help you choose a software.
Thanks, Ankit. Thanks, Ankit, for your nice words for Finvil. Yeah, it adds to so many, encouragement when somebody, a friend like you, tells good about Finvil. So many things till now we have talked about is problems faced by a chartered accountants, and now we will come out with how Finvil solves your problem. But I think Mukesh bhai is here, and let Mukesh bhai talk something about Finvil now.
Yeah.
Mukesh bhai.
Yeah. Thank you, Nilesh bhai. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Great. So good evening, friends. So I would like to tell how I came across the Finvil first. So when the lockdown started and after the first month of the lockdown in April month. So after a month was completed, and I was realizing that this is not going to end now very soon, and it is going to change a lot of the dynamics, not perspective from the medical perspective of the corona effect and all, but it will be changing the way of the working. I was able to see that and assume that thing, and then I thought how it will be changing. Then I was keep discussing with some of the friends also that now it will be the time for the work from home culture, and it will be the altogether the different ball game. People will realize it, and it will going to happen. And I discussed with our JCF team also, with Amrit Ji and also, and then we decided to have the first webinar on work from home culture, new normal. So we had that seminar on the 1st May. Till that time, there was no publication, there was no webinar, no such thing who was talking about the new normal as a work from home culture. After 1st May, there has been the many webinar with the ICI platform also, BCS platform also, other different HR platform also. And then people started talking about the work from normal culture. But the thought process behind was how it will change, and how it will go ahead, how people will be adopting. Because previously, if you will ask anybody, like have to have the online meeting and working online, people was not ready to accept. Even after the May 1st, the people was not ready, that they were expecting June, July mein jaake ho jayega. And today we are sitting in the August month, right? Still we are not normal, and the work from home or this webinar thing has become the normal, right? So that time I was thinking like how the work will be going, how it will be. So I started evaluating and thinking about a lot of the technology and the software. And specifically being the CA and in the practice area, I connected with the JCF platform. And then after that webinar of the work from home culture, we formed the one group of the people who wanted to have the growth and the work from home culture, how they can develop. So we noted that there should be 3-4 stages. So one should be the how you will be managing all the technology of the video calling, conferencing, and communication thing. So there was the one thing about the communication. Second thing was how you will be doing your working environment, how you will be developing your working environment. And then the best and the most important thing was, because earlier you was paying to your employee for coming to the office, whether he is working or not, that is not your salary criteria. Your salary criteria is attendance. But now he is not coming and he is not showing you the face. So now comes the real thing, that how you will evaluate the work done. And for that you need to step into with the work from home culture, with which should be earlier actually the practice, which should have been adopted, that how you will be managing the quality of the work from your team member or the staff, how whether they are performing or not. And for that you need the something software, because on the Excel we can make the time set, or we can try the different small app for the clocking the time or the taking the time, किसने क्या काम किया है, कैसे किया है, किसको कौन सा काम allocate हुआ है, क्या हुआ है, क्या नहीं. There can be a lot of the things. Then we started evaluating the different software and the practice management, and we started evaluating the communication software also. So we formed this group, and in this group we had the almost, we can say, 10 to 15 different webinar. We taken the demo and all, and the group was very strong. That was the closed group of the, you can say, 50-60 members, and they participated into this. So now in that closed group, we were fortunate enough that a couple of the members were having really great, you can say, already their experience on the working with the system development of the system. And we had specifically, I would mention that Hiren Bhai Thakkar from the Rajkot, and he was working on the software for the last 11 years. He has developed the software for his own practice, and he said that it is a lot of the pain, that every time I am developing and something new I am adding, and then he had given the one flow chart of mind map. So that was the completely mind map flow chart, you can say, map flow chart of the all the organization. Your practice will be requiring all the different aspect of any software which you need to get the quality of the work, which you need to manage your employee team strength, which you need to monitor client communication also, which need you for the document management and all. So he had the complete set of the question answer and the complete flow how it should be, and that flow was completely there. Then I said, like, this is the really great, because I'm not the expert of the practice management software or how it should be, but we found the expert who can evaluate the software and really can give the recommendation about that. Because, and then he said that after 11 years now he want to scrap that, because it has become a lot of the bulky things, and some of the features has become redundant, some of the features are not working properly, and their technology support was not available. Now the person who was developing for them for the last 10-11 years, he has backed out for the due to some personal reason, and he was now eagerly looking for the something to replace that complete system. So I said, great. So what we would like to let's evaluate that. In that process, we evaluated the this complete all the different software. Then I came across the Finwheel also, because I was searching for the different practice management software. And then with the Finwheel also we came across, and then I with Nilesh Bhai and their team, I scheduled the one meeting with the Hiren Bhai specifically. First demo we arranged internally for the whole team of the 50 members and something, and then 20-50 members attended that team. And then after that, what happened? Like we Hiren Bhai took, okay, I will like to take the demo, because in 30 minutes 45 minutes it was not feasible possible. Then Hiren Bhai took the demo for the 3 hours, evaluating each and every features of that, going into the depth of the question and answer. Then I asked Hiren Bhai, like, what is your personal experience, what is your personal opinion? So he said that whatever the features and the points I have noted, so majorly you can say 80-90% above are matching. 80 to 19%. There is a room for improvement. I will not say 100% perfectly matching, but yeah, that is the best of the things which a practice management software would require, because he had the complete assessment procedure. When you are taking the interview, you have the complete assessment procedure, how it will be done, where the flow will be there, and we had the expert to assess that. So after his feedback, then I said, okay, that is good. Then Ankit Bhai, I'm very well connected on the JCF platform. He is connected various places and all. So I spoken to Ankit Bhai, like you are using the Finwheel. So how is your experience? And I think that was almost 1 month time only, not more than that, 1 or 2 months. And he said that software he has changed a lot, 2-3 software he has changed. But the best thing is the support provided by the Finwheel, because implementation is a very really challenging task. And I had started to provide the support structuring team, because any software you take, any software you will be taking the software is not a difficult thing. You need a virtual partner, because most of the time as a partner you don't get the time to implement it with your team. And what I do is I talk with your team and I provide the virtual partner support every day, half an hour or alternate day. I take speak with your team who has done their number feeding and all or not. So Ankit Bhai told me that he is having the support from the Finwheel who guides their team as and when it is required, and how to implement that. And they give a very limited time that in this period you have to implement, and they push you through the implementation also. So that implementation support is provided by the Finwheel. So that makes it. So I had now the 2 validation. Then finally I spoken with the Nilesh Bhai on detail about it, like how it has been, because I when I was performing this for the growth of the practicing chartered accountant, I didn't want it to be like bias or something. I wanted to choose the product on the merit. So I spoken with the Nilesh Bhai, and then a whole journey of the Nilesh Bhai, he explained me like how he has developed, how he was facing the pain and how he has developed. And then evaluating, firstly his focus was for developing his practice area, but then after the evaluating those things, then he started to comprising the other area as well, and he started to taking the other areas into the consideration, how in detail he can go. And it is not a process, once it is complete, it is a complete continuous improvement process, and still they are adding new features every day their team is working. And the late night a couple of times we have done the call around 12 midnight also with Nilesh Bhai and all, discussing what the new feature is coming and all. So he is a continuously, like after the practice, it is a passion to pursue that, and he is working on that. And so coming from the CA background, who is into the practice, who is working on those things, I think Finwheel is really the good to go. And really you can for your practice management, because it is not about the just the working buying the software. You need the support and the implementation, and once you get the implementation, and then it is evolving. And specifically when we are doing the work from home culture, it is the new normal. But even if you are working from the office, if your team is sitting in the office, you need performance evaluation is not a task which you should carry out once, twice, or 3 years, or when your employee come to you and he asks you, sir, bonus or salary, and then you sit with him that, okay, tumne kaam kya kiya hai? Correct. He doesn't have anything in his hand what he has worked. You are not having, so it is just the perception based. now you can check with all your document. Client आएगा, client कल आपको पूछेगा आपने बिलिंग करना है, आपने तो काम क्या किया है, आपका क्या काम हुआ है, वो पूरा आपके पास में पूरे सिस्टम में रिकॉर्ड हो रखा है. क्लाइंट को उसका पूरा चिट्ठा निकाल के दे सकते हो. सर आप 3,000 रुपए का रिटर्न भरवाते हो, लेकिन पूरे साल में ना 10 बार है ना आधे घंटे तक बात करते हो. मैं 2-3 घंटे तक आपसे बात करता हूँ, मेरी टीम आपसे बात करती है. सारा चीज आपके पास में, उनके पास में रिकॉर्डिंग है. एंड दैट कैन give you the focus into the practice, that can make your system strong. And with the technology, so Virak bhai has taken this technology week, and absolutely technology is the way ahead. You have to adopt it. Otherwise getting really structured is not so easy, but with technology it will become the smooth and the path for the growth. Thank you so much.
Just to
Nilesh bhai.
add one point, Mukesh bhai, just to add one
Yeah.
point. Members, I would just like to tell you one thing, what Mukesh bhai mentioned about implementation. I remember very clearly, after about a week or week and a half, we took for complete implementation that their team run through us. I think for about 3-4 days, we were so exhausted and we did not log into the software. And I remember Darshita calling me up, telling me, sir, आपके उधर से login नहीं हो रहा है, any issues in terms of why you're not using this software. So, I mean, just to add an example of how committed they are to ensure that you make the best use of the software. Over to you, Nilesh bhai.
Thank you. Thank you. This is called as a teamwork, a love from Mukesh bhai and Ankit. I don't have words to reciprocate for the same, but yeah, you can say nasha hai mujhe. My team knows कि नीलेश भाई को गुस्सा कराना है तो क्या करना है. कोई क्लाइंट को सर्विस मत दो एंड नीलेश भाई विल टेक लेफ्ट एंड राइट. और अदरवाइज मुझे कभी गुस्सा नहीं आता है, लेकिन इफ क्लाइंट सफर्स आई एम आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. सो दिस इज द माय मोटो कि अगर लोगों को एनरोल करना है तो बेचना नहीं है उनको हम उसको यूजर बनाना है, उनके प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करना है. अपना प्रॉब्लम तो ठीक है हमने बेच दिया, बेचने के बाद का जो आता है वो उनका यूजर फीडबैक आता है. तो यूजर फीडबैक इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट टू मी. Okay, now again I will come to PPT. Why Finvil? 5 points, major points I can highlight is peace of mind with improved operational efficiency. Like कौन से स्टाफ के पास आपका कौन सा काम पड़ा है, कौन से स्टाफ के पास ज्यादा काम है, कौन से स्टाफ के पास कम काम है, उसको देख के आप नया काम उनको एलोकेट कर सकते हो. तो इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कम हो जाएंगे, प्रेशर कम हो जाएगा, इवन प्रेशर बनेगा, तो एफिशिएंसी बढ़ेगा. देन इंक्रीज रेवेन्यू एंड स्टॉप रेवेन्यू लीकेजेस. ब्रॉडली मैं अलग से बात करूंगा बिकॉज आई वांट यू टू सी सॉफ्टवेयर फीचर्स फर्स्ट. लेकिन एक सिंपल सा टॉपिक है, इंक्रीज इन रेवेन्यू. अगर आपको डिटेल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है बिलिंग के टाइम पे, देन यू कैन इंक्रीज योर रेवेन्यू. आवर फोकस वाज ऑलवेज टू गिव इंफॉर्मेशन व्हेन यू वांट टू डू बिलिंग पार्ट. लाइक लेट्स से बहुत सारे सीए ने 148 का नोटिस को रिप्लाई किया होगा, स्क्रूटिनी अटेंड किया होगा, लेकिन मेरे ऑफिस की बात करता हूं, जब तक मैंने आइटमाइज सोचना नहीं चालू किया था, वी यूज्ड टू सेंड वन बिल फॉर स्क्रूटिनी, अटेंडिंग स्क्रूटिनी अंडर सेक्शन 148. और बाद में समझ में आया कि हमने 3 काम किए एक्चुअली इसमें. एक 148 के अगेंस्ट में हमने नया रिटर्न फाइल किया है, दूसरा हमने स्क्रूटिनी हैंडल किया है, और तीसरा अगर कोई वैसा मैटर है तो उसमें पेनल्टी का भी रिप्लाई किया है. तो जो क्लाइंट एक नॉर्मल स्क्रूटिनी का 25,000 दे रहा था, अभी 25 के बदले 35-40 हजार दे रहा है, बिकॉज 5,000 रुपया रिटर्न फाइल का नॉर्मल ले लो आप, 5-10 हजार रुपया पेनल्टी का हियरिंग का ले लो. तो आराम से वही क्लाइंट जो 25,000 का चेक अगले साल का 148 के टाइम पे दिया है, वही क्लाइंट ने मुझे 35,000 दिया. फिर रेक्टिफिकेशन इतना छोटा मैटर है, ऑनलाइन स्टाफ अपना कर देता है, हमारे तक आता ही नहीं है. बिकॉज ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग आई केम टू नो ऑलमोस्ट समवेयर नियर 58 रेक्टिफिकेशंस वर रिकॉर्डेड. वो जहाँ पे हमने हमारी गलती थी समझो 3-4 में, वहां बिलिंग नहीं किया, बाकी सबका बिलिंग किया. एंड समवेयर नियर 52 और 53 बिलिंग वर कन्वर्टेड, एंड समवेयर डिपार्टमेंटल फॉलोअप था, कहीं पे पर्सनल फॉलोअप था. तो एवरीवेयर वी डिड दैट, एंड समवेयर नियर 1,10,20,000 वाज बिलिंग. Let me accept this. When I introduced Finvil, somewhere near 3,25,000 was an additional revenue which I got because of so many things which we never felt that this could be built. So increase revenue and stop revenue leakages, both goes together. अगर इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा तो रेवेन्यू लीकेजेस भी बंद होगा और रेवेन्यू भी बढ़ेगा. बेटर डिसीजन मेकिंग एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट. टाइमली आपको डिसीजन लेना है, आपका ड्यू डेट्स आ रहे हैं तो आपको दिखाएगा ड्यू नाउ, ड्यू नेक्स्ट, ड्यू फ्यूचर, तो उसके ऊपर से आपके अच्छे डिसीजन मेकिंग हो सकते हैं, टीम बना सकते हैं ऑडिट के लिए, तो उसमें भी आपको अलग अलग फीचर्स मिलेंगे. Save time and increase firm productivity. Since you are organized, you are planned, so you save time eventually in toto, and hence your firm productivity increases, and which gives you a benefit. Delightful client experience. yahin se aap, from the same software you can shoot emails, SMS, and client has a good experience. So all are the basic features. Why Finwheel? Why one should have a Finwheel? Or rather, I will say everybody should have a practice management software, and if love, then Finwheel. So I think here I should end and give a scope to Darshita, who will give broad idea about the Finwheel, how Finwheel is spread in which areas, and how Finwheel help in various areas in your practice. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, Alyssa. Okay, so first I would like to tell you that the Finwheel is divided into 5 key areas that you have seen on your screen. That is office management and control, managing compliance work, process and workflow controls, easy and faster communication, unique DMS facility. So I'll go through all the points in detail. So first we are on office admin and management controls. What we have here is your main dashboard is active and dynamic. Why we call it active and dynamic? Because any other change you do in a particular module, so that change will be highlighted on your main dashboard. And why dynamic? Because the reports which you want, or maybe it's according to senior, junior, according to your hierarchy, you can see that reports on your main dashboard. As you know, staff creation is there, login management is there, staff, let's suppose if a junior staff is there, senior staff is there. So accordingly, you give hierarchy or hierarchy wise control. Like let's suppose delete access or terminating of any file and all that access are there. You can give according to staff wise. Then apart from this, calendar with scheduler. Let's suppose any of your staff wants to you want to see any of your staff's calendar, like what all scrutiny work all those staffs they have, so accordingly you can see. Apart from that, appointment management, let's suppose you have a kind of consultancy work you do, so accordingly whether to bill that work or not, that is also there in the software. Then attendance control, let's suppose attendance control, and what in that what we have similarly, whenever a particular staff logins in the Finwheel, that punch time will be there, and after that he have to do log out, the last log out of the day. Accordingly, you can see the reports also. We have advanced level contact book. Why we call it an advanced level contact book? It is because like according to one contact, who is the contact person, who is the group handler, and all those stuff is taken care by this advanced level contact book. Then client creation and related management. You can easily create your client through XML import. Then separate file number management. What we have here is, like suppose it's a IT work, so here you have different files there. The physical files you have in your office, same numbering you can give. Then group creation and related management. In group creation, how you create groups in Tally. Similarly, you can create groups over here, and you can keep one group leader for that, or contact person for that particular group leader. Okay, now the most important thing is managing compliance work. So what we have here is income tax module. You must have gone through many softwares, but what is different here is we have dedicated modules for each and every compliance. So first is income tax. What we have in income tax compliance module, like let's suppose you can just import your XML to create a particular contact masters. After that, we have different dashboards for each and everything. For income tax, rectification, scrutiny, tribunal, appeal, and all, we have different. So what we have in scrutiny, as the examples are already given by them, officers may ask few documents, and there are few documents which we create, and there are few documents which are already ready with the client. So documents for which we create, it should go in billing. So whenever you're going to input that all those data in this Finwheel, so automatically it goes in billing. So जो टेंशन होता है, how many hearings you have attended, at the end of the day you sit for billing and you have to search like मैंने कितना hearings attend किया particular एक client, so you don't have to do all that stuff because everything is ready made in Finwheel. You are not going to waste your time. Okay, apart from that, advanced tax. what we have in advanced tax, just you have to put the current liability of that particular client, and the 4-quarter calculation is done by Finvil. Even you can print your challan from here, all those stuff we have. Then GST. What we have in GST is you can create. We have different dashboards. Let's say registration, then amendment, rectification, all those assessment wise. We have different dashboards here. And with smart filters, as you all know, GST is really very complicated. So accordingly, we have given smart filters on a particular dashboard, on return dashboard. Then what else we have here is audit. What we have in audit is, let's suppose you can create a team according to you. If you want to create according to client-wise team also, you can create client-wise team also. Then you want to appoint a particular team for that particular audit, you can appoint that also, and how many number of audits. If there are many partners in a particular firm, so accordingly you can give segregate like how many audits this particular partner is going to do, and all those stuff is there. Then ledger confirmation is there, which is we call third party verification. Then sampling, even sampling option is like a complete audit module is there. And the most important thing is we have online audit query sheet. So what is that? For that, you can take a demo from us and you can see what is online query sheet, because that's the most kind of unique feature of Finvil audit module. Apart from that, TDS and TCS. So what we have here is we have 2 different modules. Like first we have masters, then TDS on salary and others. So accordingly, we have different dashboards for that. All those stuff as I explained to you earlier. Then general tax. Okay. Apart from income tax, GST, audit, TDS, if you're managing any other work, like let's suppose ROC, PF work you're doing, so you can manage that work from general tax. For that also, you have the general task and general assessment. So accordingly, you can do your work. Then digital signature. Like it's a small module, but it's really very important, because at the end of the day, when your staff आपका जब जाता है return file करने, they get to know, oh my god, client का तो DSC नहीं है हमारे पास, client का तो DSC expire हो गया है. So for all that last minute pressure avoid करने के लिए, we have DSC module. And whenever your staff is going to update, like for this particular income tax file, they have done this work. Similarly, you're going to get one highlighted pop-up over there that whether the DSC is available or not available. Next is process control. And okay, so what we have here is we have predefined checklist for all tasks. So according to a particular work, let's suppose IT return work. So we have 4 types of work. So accordingly, we can segregate according to client wise for which checklist is should be followed for that particular client. So accordingly, you can create your own checklist also here. We have predefined checklist over here. Then similarly, let's suppose in income tax, your staff may come up with any queries, doubts, or notes for that particular client's file. So accordingly, you can create your memo sheet over here, query sheets. Similarly, this query sheet is there in each and every module according to that particular compliance. Then daily work tracking and report, how many hours spent on that particular work, like how explained by Mukesh that एक client के लिए आप कितना कुछ काम करते हो नहीं, at the end of the day he comes to you and say sir कम कीजिए, like ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग ने कुछ काम ही नहीं किया है, because you don't have a proper justification to show them कि what all work you have done for that particular client. So here you have that bifurcation. So दिखा सकते हो client को कि we have spent these many hours for you. Then you can prepare a quotation for your client, or even we have facility of proforma invoice in that, so you can do that also. And detailed and multi-firm billing. Let's suppose Darshita is one of your client and she wants a bill, a non-GST bill, and your firm is registered into GST. तो अभी आप मुझे non-GST bill कहाँ से दोगे? So what we have here is sister concern. आपकी जो दूसरी कोई sister concern होगी, from that particular concern you can give that bill. So we have multi-billing feature over here. Okay, then apart from this, let's suppose a senior is working on a particular project and similarly a junior is working on a particular project, or accordingly they spend particular time. So according to that time, you're going to charge to that particular client. So that whole bifurcation is there in the software. And we have, kind of ready-made reports for you. We have 100+ reports. So at just a one click, you're going to get every report, each and every report. Okay, apart from this, if you want to create your own reports, you can create that report using filters. And what we have in filter is, you can, if you're using a particular filter frequently, just what you can do is you can save that filter. So it's going to save your time. Apart from that, okay, easy and faster communication. What's there in that? We have inbuilt email SMS. system. So you can send bulk email and SMS to your clients, in intervals also. So at the end of the day, आपके staff के ऊपर pressure आता है that, oh my God, चलो time आ गया, अभी mail करना पड़ेगा. And whole day they spend on, time on their time on, emailing and SMS ये सब है. So apart from doing that, let Finvil do that thing for you. तो आपके लिए आसान हो जाता है in intervals. Okay. Apart from that, what we have is WhatsApp. So, when you're going to WhatsApp anyone, so you need to save their number. So here, without saving that number, you can WhatsApp them directly from application from Finvil. Okay. This is notification. What is notification? Or like whenever you assign a particular work to a particular staff, they are going to receive a notification that particular XYZ work is allocated to you. Then the most important thing that is which is recently introduced, as you can see, that is document management system. So what is unique? Like सब में होता है document management system. आप में क्या ऐसा uniqueness है? So let me explain you that. What we have here is that is Google Drive. Our DMS system is integrated with your Google Drive. तो हमेशा आपको वो data security का question the client come up with. Madam, security का क्या हमारे documents आपके cloud पे रहेंगे? ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा. They come up with this all this questions. So what we have done is Google Drive के साथ integrate करिए. तो आपके drive के अंदर ही सब कुछ होगा. Okay. So what all things are there in DMS? I'm going to tell you that. First is new and unique facility. As I said, it is available in each and every module. Whether it's income tax, GST, TDS, audit, all modules, it is available there. And the most important, it is documents are going to be stored in your Google Drive, not on Finvil's cloud. So now any document, kind of, if you are sitting in a department, officer samne hai, and he asks for a document, so you're like, on just a one click, you can, take that document, show that document to him. Then even the most important thing, like whenever you're using a Google Drive, of course, like we have to give that particular Gmail account access to a particular stuff. So no, what we have to do is here we have created inbuilt access, like whatever access, like renaming any file, deleting any file, creating a folder of any file, all that stuff, sharing and all. So accordingly, access will be given to your particular stuff according to you. Then, as I said, no need to share your password with your staff. And whenever you're going to share a particular link with your client, similarly, that client can upload their documents and all those stuff. And whenever they are going to upload all this stuff, so you're going to receive notification for that. So what all documents they have uploaded there. And the thing is like 15 GB is almost all free in Google Drive. So that is the best part of it. Apart from that, this is the basic problem. Mail से भरे पड़े होते हैं. Whenever you ask for documents and all those stuff, so you have many mails. और उसमें से particular you have to search for that particular client. फिर उसमें से we have the chances to forget that particular document. So when you're using a DMS, so that gets avoided. Then what makes Finvil different? Okay. First is we have dedicated modules. As I told you, we have dedicated income tax module, GST module. We have worked on in-depth. Then advanced tax, as I told you earlier, what we have in advanced tax, like calculation and all, it will be done. If you want to print challan and all those details, you can do that from here. Then GST management, what we have in GST management is, I told you, we have sub modules like e-way bill work. If you're doing, let's suppose आप किसी का e-way bill का काम कर रहे हो ना, छोटा सा काम है, but that too, it takes time. So accordingly, you can build that. Then, as I told you, audit is our most premium feature of Finvil, where you can create a team, allocate all those work, peer review is going to be taken care of by it. Then, various level of assessment, according to hearings and all. No other software has given this facility, but Finvil has given this hearing. We have created in detail everything. And as I told you about DSC. So what we have in DSC, expiry alerts and all those stuff will be highlighted from Finvil. Then, as I told you, we have a document management system which is integrated with your Google Drive, appointment management with billing access, and what all. If you want to see your staff's calendar, you can see that. Then predefined work order, like whatever work is there, or let's suppose IT, audit, GST, all those work. So we have predefined checklist for that. So you don't need to create. If you want to customize that checklist, you can. Then manage work division, the most important thing, like what all works are outsourced and what all works are in-house, in-sourced, all those detail and all bifurcation you can see here in Finvil. Then, as you know, bulk email and SMS in intervals from application itself. Then WhatsApp is integrated without sending a contact number. You can directly WhatsApp them. Client-wise memo sheet, as I told you, if your staff comes up with queries and all those stuff, so they can save their queries here. Then due dates, the most important part is due date. हमारी पूरी life due dates में ही चली जाती है, ऐसा ही लगने लगता है. So we have separate compliance module for due date also. You have in that particular dashboard, you can see all the due dates. You can filter it out due dates and all those stuff is there. And the due dates are updated by Finwell itself. So you don't have that pressure keep planning your due date or you have to check all those stuff. So you can directly check it from here. It is always updated. Then attendance management. As I told you, we have a attendance module system. So we have attendance management there. Let's suppose staff is coming late and all those rate remarks and everything is there in application. Then access control, hierarchy wise access control. If you don't want to show a particular in income tax module, you want to show a particular sub module, let's suppose scrutiny and all, advanced tax, hearing, appeal, and all those modules. So don't show them. It's up to you. Then file number management, as I said, for income tax, for IT rectification. If you want to give a different file numbers, you can give that accordingly. The physical files which you have in your office, same file numbering you can give in Finwell. And shortcut keys, the most important thing, because see people are like, we don't want to use mouse, we want to use keyboard. So that's why we have created shortcut keys. Then what else? As I said, advanced level contact book. Let's suppose you have a like कोई big shortcut है, like let's suppose आपके पास कोई client है, let's suppose Sachin Tendulkar is there. So obviously, whenever your staff is going to work on a particular file of him, so your staff is not going to call Sachin Tendulkar, sir, आपके file में ये problem आ रहा है, what I should do. Obviously, he's going to call a contact person, maybe his accountant, assistant, whatever, the contact which you have mentioned in the contact person list. Then, as I told you about multi-firm billing feature, what is it? So you want to create a particular bill from a different sister concern, you can do that. Then group management is there, so you can manage your groups accordingly. And multi-branch control, let's suppose you have a branch in Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, all those stuff, so you can manage all that branch in one application. Just by clicking, you can shuffle branch on just a one click, and you can go to that particular branch and see their dashboards. Then, as I said, it is user friendly with Excel field. Why Excel field? Because you people are most used to Excel, so that's why we have tried to give you that Excel field. Then I don't need to talk about our support system, because everyone has Ankit sir and has already told about our support system, how strongly we do follow up and all those stuff. Then the most important thing, implementation. As Ankit sir mentioned everything about it, why implementation is important. आपने software ले लिया, but how to implement that is a biggest question. So our team is there to help us, help you out with. So 9,000 implementation is free, but make sure it is free for limited period of time. The most important thing. Then apart from this, there are, we are always going to come up with new features. So the change will be there according to that particular compliances, or maybe XYZ reason, we are going to come with a new things. Let's suppose mobile application and all those stuff. We are going to come up with that. Okay. So at the end of the day, Finwell is going to, make your life simple and easy, and it's going to give you new, definition to that word of admin. So this is going to be a new definition of admin. So all those messy things and all will be not there with Finwell, because Finwell is going to segregate all your tasks accordingly, according to a particular client, according to particular staff, and all those stuffs, and it's going to help you out with that. Okay, so this is, if you want to see our demo, contact us. We have mentioned all the details over here. You can contact us. And yes, if you feel you want to make your practice simple and easy, book your demo now. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thanks, Darshita.
If you have any questions, please let us know.
Yeah, till that time, I will take some time.
Thank you so much. Please continue, Nilesh bhai. I would like to request Darshita, there are a few questions in the question tab, if you can answer them.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. there are few things unique about the Finville. Some things already she has highlighted, and what I would like to say in short is hearing management is what it is unique for everybody. You know, hearing management just it doesn't control only the dates of the hearing, but it also controls the documents to be provided, and what is a balance part. And the best part is that things are added in the billing part. Who has prepared that documents, whether our office has prepared the documents, or clients have prepared the billing. While billing, that information is must, whether how much details we have prepared. Like if income tax officer has asked 20 details, out of that, if my office has prepared 12 details, who will bill for that 12 details? We are just charging for the hearing and not for the documents what we have prepared, or majority of us, or we charge on lump sum basis. Then client says, "Itna paisa kyun hai?" This is a unique question. Every CA faces. Whenever you want to increase your fees, your client is always ready to ask this common question: "Itna paisa kyun? Last year तो आपने इतना charge किया था." So if you are ready with the statistics, nothing like it. Then audit controls, I have tried a lot to do, and that audit controls. And online query sheet is my best trial to our fraternity, where online query sheet is created, and many things are available. Once you see demo, you will be aware of all that things. But because of that, audit process becomes smooth, and documentation, while when there is a peer review, there is a big question. Just so many, I have asked so many chartered accountant friends whether you can provide me that last 2 years back query sheet, and majority of them say no. So the record can be kept online for years till your peer review comes. So that is a good part of it. GST due dates, again a pain area for a chartered accountant. If again and again, महीने में 2 ड्यू डेट्स तो अपने पास है GST का, GSTR1, GSTR3B, and annual return वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. लेकिन अगर if we ask any of the chartered accountants how much returns are pending for February month 3B, how much for March 1, how much, so they cannot answer at a stroke. Here you just need to filter out due lapse को filter करो, and whatever returns have lapsed, अभी तक ड्यू डेट चला गया और आपका रिटर्न फाइल नहीं हुआ, that count will be always readily available. Just on the one click you are getting that information. There are many things attached to it, but I am just highlighting the things which I should. DMS, again a new part we have tried to cover. Dedicated modules is my focus was when I try to prepare for my own practice management software. That every task is a different task, every due dates are different. Monthly hai, koi quarterly hai, koi yearly hai, koi half yearly hai. How one can control on one dashboard, everything is separate. एक आदमी once somebody is looking after income tax is not looking after GST. Now एक ही dashboard पे सब हमने डाल दिया है, due dates अलग है, management अलग अलग है, so it becomes difficult. So what I tried is give all dashboards all people different dashboards, so they can manage. और जिसको income tax देखना है वो income tax dashboard में जाके देखेगा, GST देखना है वो GST में जाके देखेगा. These are the basic things, and features wise I have provided one very good feature is custom fields. Majority of the software, if you see, they say this is the software which you need to handle. You need to insert your database according to whatever we have provided. Here I have gone beyond and tried to give custom fields on almost every dashboard. We have provided much of the fields. Like income tax dashboard, we have 34 plus columns, and in that you can create 6 custom fields. Custom fields like Vivad se Vishwas Tak, the scheme is available. Now no software will provide the space for that. Here you can use custom fields in your appeal module, or you can on your income tax module, and you create, just creating field will not take even 30-40 seconds or maybe 1 minute. You can create a drop down box, you can rate your things like what you want to insert there. Yeah, yes, no, maybe, details received, uploaded, like, and you can, the good part is everything is added in the filters provided. Once you add some custom fields, it gets automatically added in the filters provided in the software. Then this is my, my team has struggled a lot to provide custom fields because tables पूरे हिल जाते हैं इसके लिए. One CA will prepare custom field for one thing, second CA will prepare custom field for another thing, and I need to create for everybody I need to have one table. So this is the biggest challenge which we faced when we wanted to implement this, and successfully we have implemented this. Just मुझे इतना बरोबर मालूम है कि if you are practicing since last 25 years, I am practicing last 25 years, and we are very good friends, then also our style of working will be always different. And since we are different, our thinking is different, naturally our requirement will differ. And here any software will face limitation, and I try to cover that limitation through custom fields. Then flexible job steps, sub-steps. Finwheel has provided some samples. You can add to your system. You can fully accept that. You can partially accept that, partially reject that. You can add, you can delete steps and substeps within no time, like 1, 2, 3 seconds. You can do that. Checklist we have provided. So generally, flexible steps and substeps as per your need, and checklist will make your management more simpler. I can talk hours and hours on Finwheel because I have created the Finwheel, but I think this is a time to say Darshita to answer some queries, and yeah.
Okay. So the first question was about pricing. So for pricing, you
Just
can,
1 second, Darshita.
yeah.
Amita, there are few questions for you also in the question tab, including the same question of the pricing and all. So if you can check as well. Continue, ma'am.
Okay. So the question was about pricing. Everyone wants to know the pricing of Finwheel. For that, you can visit our website. But as you have attended this webinar, we have given you a time, so we have given some discount to you. So for that, you need to connect with us. I think we have already mentioned that we have given 20% discount. So you can connect with us to get that. Then, okay, same
With
charges
pricing,
questions.
please also announce the offer you are giving for the live attendees who is attending live at present.
Yeah, as I told, the offer is of 20% discount on the existing listed price. With they are going to get DMS module for free. Okay, so there is one tip. Will we see the demo of Finwheel? For that, we can share our link website. You can say go to this particular website and you can apply or you request for free demo. No demo today. No, because it's a big application. How can we show you demo here? It's a really very big application. For that, you need to take you time for that. So it's going to take you around 1 hour for that particular demo.
1 hour for overall review. Mukesh bhai mentioned about Hiren Thakkar sir, CA Hiren Thakkar of Rajkot. He took 3 hours to to have in-depth demo because he needed to decide on behalf of so many people. So he took more than 3 hours to view full application.
So for now, you can understand how big the software is, but trust, we are going to simplify that work for you by, we have a systematic implementation plan for that. And it's going to be simpler for you to implement in your office.
See, here my feeling is always, many software fails because nobody knew what are the features available in that software, from where you can use that shortcuts, from where you will get the details desired by you. So we have come out with a step-by-step implementation, which is also free as on today. My feeling is that once you know what are the minute level features of the Finwheel, you will enjoy Finwheel. Yeah, Darshita.
Definitely, or Melissa, if it's going to increase our revenue, we are going to enjoy Finvil. We are going to enjoy Finvil. Because at the end of the day, staff is not at all interested to look after the billing part and all those stuff, and Finvil is going to look all that stuff for your billing and all that stuff. So obviously, it's going to be very interesting to work with you. Oh. Okay, there are a few questions of Aman Trivedi, sir. So he haven't mentioned for whom it is. The question is for TDS compliance, does it covers for transaction on which TDS was applied but should have been? Does it highlights it as well? I didn't get your question. Aman sir, sorry, Aman sir.
But if anything is not covered in a routine dashboard, we can always give solution from our miscellaneous general module. So this is a compliance software where you can have an answer to your compliances. So anything what you want to track, if it not routinely available on the dashboard, because we have TDS on salaries, TDS on others module. So TCS module, 3 modules, whatever is not covered in that, you can always control from miscellaneous dashboard module provided in TDS itself. Darshita, और सवाल है?
One more question is there for Finvil is that is there any module available where we can provide the internal wiki for knowledge? Okay. You mean to say to give some highlights on a particular topic to your team? For now, we don't have that, but we can think about it. And can we integrate WhatsApp? The WhatsApp is already integrated in the software itself. Yeah, the questions are over.
Amit sir, you also can answer the questions. You are self-muted. Unmute yourself and you can answer. No, you have to unmute yourself. You are still not able. We are not able to listen you, sir. No, sir. No, not possible, sir. We are not able to listen you, sir. Please unmute yourself. नहीं, अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा सर. अनम्यूट करो फिर होगा. मोबाइल से भी कर रहे हो तो मोबाइल में भी एक अनम्यूट का ऑप्शन होगा. होगा सर, वहाँ पे कहीं पे देखना पड़ेगा आपको. मैं यहाँ से नहीं बता पाऊंगा. आप देखिए एक बार. So Amit sir unmute कर रहे हैं. Thank you so much Nilesh sir and the Darshita madam for a wonderful presentation.
Thank you,
And
Viraj ji.
about the introduction of the yes, it's our pleasure, sir. You have given a wonderful presentation about your software can be used for the practice management by the chartered accountant. So would like to request all the attendees to take the maximum benefit out of this. At least you can request for the demo from the Darshita ji and the Amit ji and the Nilesh ji. So after that, you can take the call of your selection. I think Amit ji is not still able to do unmuting himself. Would like to request him again to check whether he can able to do, or he will reply to all your questions over the mail. And just want to tell you to Darshita ma'am and Nilesh sir that there are few comments from the participant side as well about the appreciation. They got the good flavor of the application, and many others comment as well.
Look at the face of Darshita.
Sir, is it possible to sir to unmute yourself?
Amit sir, just open your this screen. On your right hand side, you can see a particular mic. Mic जैसा आपको एक icon दिखेगा. You can see?
Red color arrow button के नीचे.
हाँ, उसके
No, I think
नीचे
he
भी.
is from mobile as well.
Okay.
Amit sir, the mobile में भी होगा. I think there is some not possible, some technical issues there from Amit sir end. So I think with this, we are recognizing the presence of Kanhaiya Kothari sir as well from the Jain Chartered Accountant Federation. We welcome you, sir. Kothari sir, would you like to say anything, sir? Kothari sir?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We can able to hear you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So
Nothing
with
more.
this, I think we can
Best.
log off for the today's session. Yes, sir. Kothari sir, you are saying something?
No, just best presentation. You should keep on.
Thank you, sir. So I think we can log off for from this session today, and we'll meet tomorrow at 4:30 with again a new application and software tomorrow as well. So
I will like to
logging
give
off
one comment. I will like to give one comment.
Please, sir,
Ankit,
please.
I never knew that there is some JCF available platform available, and Ankit made me aware of that, and he forced me to become a member for that. I am a
Right.
little shy type man. Generally, I am never into public available. So he made me, no, you need to come to JCF platform and be comfortable. And today I am here with you.
Thank you, sir. So I think with this we can conclude of this session today, and we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you so much, all the participants.
Okay,
Thank you,
all
everyone.
the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.